So let's break the ice straight away. Tell us what you do.
My name is Jordyn Teague. I'm a Best Tech at the new Lilly solar plant here.
So you're an experienced person, right?
This is my second week.
So a long time.
I don't know.
Okay, a solar plant. I see it there, but what about all these white boxes?
So we are at Plant Lilly. We're solar plus storage. These are our solar panels back here, and this is our battery energy storage systems right here.
Okay, hang on a second. I missed that. Please, could you try to explain it again as if you were talking to a child?
So these boxes, they contain our batteries for our battery energy storage system. So essentially, when the solar panels, they get DC power, we store them here. And then in times that we need them, whether it be weather or we just need some extra, it comes from this storage system right here.
Okay, but what about you? Why are you here? Is it just a job?
Well, I'm from Texas, so I had heard about this project just through the grapevine of being out of school, and then I heard about this company, and I looked into it and just honestly was really inspired about the goal and the mission of the company. So decided to apply and try to get into renewables. Nowadays, with the climate change and all those things, I was just interested in it and wanted to be a part of that rather than just go the traditional route of oil and gas when you come out of school. I wanted to kind of be a part of a company that I could get behind, that I was proud of.
That's very kind of you. So it was basically your inspiration, is that right?
When I first started, I was really unsure just getting into this field, but my teacher at my school, she ended up being a female when I went to go in there to talk to her, and it really encouraged me. And she was a big advocate, and it just kind of rubbed off on me, and it inspired me to go forward in the industry.
Crystal clear, thanks. But please tell me, would you say your job is a bit boring sometimes?
I'm very excited about the new position. It is a new position here. It's recently made, so I'm excited to get in and learn about it. Just in 2 weeks, I think I've met people from 5 countries so far, and that was really exciting for me.